welcome back to this episode of SUTV. So there's lots of exciting events happening over the next couple of weeks and we're going to get into that. This month we've organised a lot of mental wellbeing activities for you guys. This Sunday we have a gardening session from 11 to 2 p.m. On the 29th of November we have an intro to mindfulness session from 7:30 to 9:30 in the Activities Hub Room 3. We also have a 5k run on the 26th of November. On the 11th of December, we are organising a Christmas meal for you guys. If you're interested in volunteering or attending our Christmas dinner on the 11th of December, click the link below. On the 3rd of December, we have Reclaim the Night. This is a march against sexual misconduct. Some of our societies have some really exciting performances coming up this week. So on the 29th of November and the 30th of November, Rostra have their show called Saving Persephone. On the 30th of November, concert bands and jazz bands have their concert. Tomorrow there's an Afrobeats dance workshop from 4 to 5 p.m. in PL2. And finally, don't forget about the Student Christmas Market in PJ Hall from 12 to 4 p.m. on the 4th of December. Thanks for tuning in to SUTV. See you next time!